Let's dive right in. Today, we're solving that incredibly frustrating mystery of low shower pressure in modern bathrooms.
There's literally nothing worse than turning on your shower only to get a sad, weak little trickle.
But here's how a pro handles it. They don't panic, guys. They know exactly where to look first. The very first step, you've got to physically unthread that shower head to see what's actually hiding inside.
Yep, the hidden villain is usually this tiny mesh filter, totally choked up by hard water, scale, and dirt.
The fix is crazy simple. Just grab a basic toothbrush and water and scrub all that nasty blockage away. The transformation is instant. You go right from that frustrating trickle back to a super powerful, restored flow.
So the big takeaway? Peak performance doesn't need a huge overhaul. It usually just takes simple, routine maintenance.
Nailing these small diagnostic details is exactly what separates an amateur guess from a truly professional fix. Definitely save this quick plumbing trick in your mental toolbox for your own home maintenance routine. So I'll leave you with this. Are hidden blockages ruining your luxury shower experience right now? Go check.